Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment, and I got a package. And let's see what's inside. A smiley face, so we know it's Amazon. Okay. And it's a shower head. And let's see what comes in the package. The shower head. This is a black. It's flat. It has little rubber holes and comes in a box. In the box, there's a bag. And the bag is real flexible. And it's like a metal. It comes with the Teflon tape so it doesn't leak on the connections. And it comes with the connection, which is here. And this is the part that holds the holes. It's a rubber in here so it doesn't slide. This is the ball joint that causes it to move. It comes with one rubber hose. Okay, if you don't know anything, I don't do anything tech without reading the instructions. The instructions look basic. However, I need to read it to be able to install it. So, we'll be back. This is my original Moen head shower. I'm going to remove this shower head and install the new one. First, I'm going to use the tape and I'm going to tape the shower arm, wrap it around about 5 times. That'll stop that leak. I'm going to add the adjustable bracket and adjust that. Put the washer into the hex nut and connect the bracket. And this is, then I'm going to connect the condyle nut to the arm of the shower. No leaks at all. This is an easy cleaning nozzle, the rubber. You change settings by this switch on the side. And it's 6 switchable settings. This is the massage setting. This is the rain spray setting. If you want more information about this, check it out in my description below this video. This switching to the bubble oxygenation, and it comes out a little harder than is the rain bubble oxygenation. Switch it again, and this is the power jet. This is good to bathe your dog or to clean the shower afterwards. And this is the rain massage setting. Hit me up in the comments.